Let me show you two different ways how to hard reset your Google Pixel 10 Pro or 10 Pro XL as well. First, we can simply go in the settings if everything is okay with your phone and you have full access to it. Then we can click on the system settings, reset options over here, and if you click erase all data, you'll be essentially able to delete everything from this phone and it will be essentially a brand new phone. And the second way, for example, if you maybe have some securities that you have forgotten or something has happened to the phone or it's broken in some way, we can also do a hard reset during the bootloader essentially. So first we are going to restart our phone by pressing holding the power and the volume up. Then once it shuts down, we are going to jump to holding the power and volume down. So let's do it. So the power and volume up and keep holding. It takes maybe like 10 seconds. So let's see how long it takes. So ignore whatever it says, keep holding till it shuts off. Okay, I'm going to jump to holding the power and the volume down. And this usually takes maybe like 20 seconds, something like that. So simply keep holding like this. So again, make sure both those two buttons are pressed down. So let's see how long it takes. Okay, finally. So we can release and you have this menu over here. Next, basically using the volume down, we are going to cycle to this recovery mode and select with the power. Okay, wait a bit to reboot. Okay, you'll see this dead Android man. Next, we simply have to hold the power and press up once. Okay, you see you have this option over here. Next, again, we are going to use the volume buttons to cycle down to the wipe data factory reset. So again, confirm with the power and cycle down to the factory data reset and confirm again with the power. So I won't do that, I have no need for that, but yeah, basically once you do this, basically everything will get deleted from your phone. It will be a brand new phone essentially. Also obviously all your images and videos stored also on this phone will be lost, so everything will be returned to the factory state essentially. Also during one of the setup screens it will also ask you to log in into your old Google like email and also provide the password for it as well. So if you had basically a Google account on this phone, if you didn't have it actually won't ask, but again, so this is just for extra security, so there's no funny business going on. So to confirm that you're actually the owner of this phone. So again, be aware if you actually do not know the Google account and password on this phone, then do not do this, otherwise you can essentially brick your phone. Anyway, yeah, good luck.